Hey, my name is Nate Huey and I'm a creative here in Colorado. I'm a show designer over at Unbridled in downtown Denver, and I've lived here for almost my whole life. I love everything about Colorado, the outdoors, the people, but I also love the community that we've created around our creatives. It's very collaborative and everyone has something to bring to the table with new views and new perspectives. Which new project or skills did you learn in 2020? Throughout my life, I have always felt it is very important to constantly continue learning new skills and growing as an individual, and I think with a career in design, it is no different. You need to always be adapting to new technologies and learning new skills and trends. One specific topic I have tried to learn this year is the topic of lettering. I am fascinated by lettering and typography and combining those two with style to create a beautiful scene of art. Who is an artist or designer you admire and why? A specific designer who I have looked up to in regards to lettering is Scotty Russell from the Perspective Collective. If you know Scotty, you know he is a badass letterer, but also a huge wealth of knowledge for anyone trying to make the most out of their side hustle, freelance, or passion project. I have learned so much from him, and if you haven't checked out his podcast, I highly recommend it. What career advice would you give to your younger self? Something Scotty always preaches, and I couldn't agree with more, is to network and connect with your community. Connect with your business, connect with your new friends, connect with old friends, but always be connecting. While the interactions in the moment may seem small, these connections and the network that you build will bring huge successes later in life. Good luck and happy creating.